How's that?
That's beautiful. It's a beautiful day out here in North Dakota.
Fort Ransom State Park. And it's not too cold, actually.
Not bad. A little bit breezy, more breezy than it was earlier.
Like 30 degrees?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let's go hike.
All right. And check out all these animal tracks everywhere. So this is the Cheyenne River, right?
Yep. That's the blue trail, whatever that means.
That's what we're on.
Radetzky Ridge Trail.
Beautiful, lovely rolling hills. Some snow. Look at all the deer tracks. New boots for this.
Yeah, how are your boots working out?
They're great. Check out these. Negative 54-degree.
And your yak tracks fit?
Yak tracks are good.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's almost too warm out here for a big jacket.
So here's some dog tracks.
Yeah? Dog or wolf?
Well, there's no people tracks with it. So, stray dog, coyote, or wolf.
They're big tracks too.
Some of them are bigger than others, so there may be more than one.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's this? Something small. Mouse. Rodent of some sort.
It's neat. Little Twig Nature Trail. Love all these bridges. Look at that. So this park actually has these yurts that you can rent. We're going to look into it for next time we come up this way. Hopefully they're available for the dates we are interested in.
Yeah, it is. I'm walking this way.
Yes! Yes! Uh-oh, I might have just declared war. It's not a good idea.
It is recording. It doesn't beep anymore. God dang it. We'll just bleep that out, folks.